A lot of people have been asking me, how do you rename a group chat on iMessage with iOS 14, or how do you leave a chat? And it is super easy. So to rename it, you just tap on the chat at the very top. You'll see the group, however many people. So you'll see 2 icons or 10 icons or 32 icons, however many. You tap it and then you hit info right here. And when you hit info, you can do change name and photo. So you can change the group photo. So let's say I'm gonna make this group photo a donut emoji. I can even change the background. So there I'm gonna change the photo, and a group name. So I could say my dudes, and then I could hit done. So now this conversation is my dudes. I have the maps here because I have the location of these guys. It's blurred out so you guys don't know where my friends live or where they're at right now. And then to leave a conversation, you're gonna scroll past the contacts who are in it, and you have 2 options. First, you have hide alerts, so essentially put the conversation on do not disturb mode. So you're still in it, but you won't get a notification every time someone messages in it. And then you'll see this leave this conversation button. The reason that this is grayed out on my phone and might be grayed out on your phone is because you made that group chat. So if you made the group chat, then leave this conversation is not an option for you. It'll show up but be grayed out. If you are in a group chat which you did not make and someone added you to, you'll see that it's blue. So I'm gonna go to a different conversation right now. In this conversation, which I was added to, I have this button in red that's leave this conversation. So if I want to leave, I could just tap that icon and it would remove me from this group chat completely so that it wouldn't even be in my messages anymore. I don't get any new alerts. I'm not in the group message. And that's how I can get rid of those notifications. Keep in mind, you can only leave group conversations if everybody is iMessage in the conversation. If they are texting from an Android phone, then it doesn't work in the same way because, it's not actually an iMessage. So hopefully that helps. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.